The Xerox Adaptive CMYK Plus Kit is an innovative accessory that lets you swap your standard CMYK toners with high-value specialty toners in minutes. With 11 available toner colors, you can create a million possibilities. In this video, we're going to print 2 fluorescent jobs, one with spot colors and one that was designed for standard CMYK process. We will print this second job with no alterations to the design as a fluorescent job. Let's assume the fluorescent kit has already been installed and the correct NVM settings applied. It's important to properly pre-flight jobs, especially when printing applications using this technology. For our imported spot color job, we'll need to ensure the fluorescent colors are called out correctly in the file and designated as 100% spot colors. Fluorescent cyan is named F cyan. Fluorescent magenta is named F magenta. Fluorescent yellow is F yellow. And black should always be 100% K instead of rich black. If you don't have pre-flight capability, you can check to make certain everything will print correctly during the preview step. After validating the color names, select Server, then Toner Sets, and choose Fluorescent. The correct preset must be applied by right-clicking the job and selecting Apply Workflow Fluorescent Kit. Open up the job properties, and under Color, ensure that the output profile is Fluorescent Kit. Because this particular job is vector, set the CMYK source to bypass conversion under the Color tab. Under Media, verify or select your paper source and stock size. You should also adjust your media weight and color as necessary. Under Finishing, choose an Output Delivery option. In this case, it's face up. Now, instead of Print, click on the small double arrows and select Process and Hold. Once your job is processed, click on it and select Preview to check spot callout names and ensure the job looks as expected. If it's correct, right-click again and select Print. You can also print a standard CMYK job using the fluorescent toners without having to redesign the file. In this instance, don't change the color designations in the source file. They remain CMYK. You can use the automated workflow at the print server with just a few clicks. When you select the fluorescent kit as your preset workflow, it will automatically map the CMYK colors to their fluorescent equivalents. Under the Color tab, select Bypass Conversion as the CMYK source, since this example is vector as well. Just as before, verify paper source, stock size, media weight, and delivery option. Choose your output delivery option, and again, instead of printing, choose Process and Hold so you can verify the results. It should look just like the original CMYK job, but with more intense colors on screen and beautiful, bright fluorescent hues when printed. Just like that. That's it. Higher value embellished jobs produced quickly and easily with the Adaptive CMYK Plus Kit. Find more how-to videos online at xerox.com/creative, including how to print vivid applications with the Adaptive CMYK Plus Kit.